It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Today's New Food Friday is going to be a little bit different. We do have some different flavors of Pringles to try, but we're also going to see if we can make a Pringle ring. If you haven't seen that, hopefully you will soon. With the shape of the Pringles, we're going to see if we can make them all the way around into a circle. And then after we're done with that, then we'll taste them and see what we think of the different flavors. We got 3 different kinds. We've got Pringles pizza and 2 veggie chips. One of them is sea salt and one of them is sour cream and onion. So we just figured out only actual Pringles will work because they are shaped differently. The Pringles have some more curve to them and they'll go around, where these veggie chip ones are kind of flat. So they will not work. You actually have to have Pringles.
I did it. Now let's see if James can do it.
I wasn't able to do it. It kept on falling down. I didn't make it sturdy enough.
Now for the good part, we're gonna taste them.
Alright, try the pizza ones.
Tastes like pizza.
Uh-huh.
Pizza and a chip.
Alright, who wants to try sea salt flavor?
Good.
Tastes like sea salt.
Uh-huh.
Salty.
Uh-huh.
Does it taste like veggie straws?
Yeah.
Tastes like veggie straws a lot.
But saltier?
Yeah.
Sour cream and onion flavor.
Ew. So they're ew.
They do look like they have sour cream and onion.
And this one is.
They taste very interesting.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's good or bad.
Does taste like some sour cream and onion veggie chips.
Yeah.
Or veggie straws, basically.
Alright, there was sour cream, there was salt, and there's pizza. What kind is the best?
That one.
Pizza?
Pizza's the best.
Pizza.
Well, there you have it. These ones
The
are
real Pringles.
supposed to be healthier, made with potato, spinach, broccoli, and peas. So if you want to do healthy, they are good. Do you think
Yes.
they're good?
Yes, they're good.
They are a thumbs up. But Pringles still wins it for flavor.
Now let's see if our brothers can build a tower.
I don't think it is. Why did you do that?
Keeps on collapsing because this side keeps
Exactly.
floating down. We both failed. We couldn't build the circle.
Who's ready to taste them?
Me.
All right, first we have the sea salt.
Tastes like veggie straws.
Uh-huh.
Although more salty.
It has a lot of salt. It tastes like veggie straws, and I say it's pretty good.
All right, give the sour cream and onion a try.
It tastes kind of like veggie straws mixed with sour cream and onion chips. They're really, really good.
Right there, Brett.
I think it tastes like the sour cream and onion chips with the spinach veggie straws.
And I taste they're pretty good, and and I love the things inside them.
All right, there's the pizza.
The pizza. Oh, a pizza chip.
That actually tastes like cheesy, good pizza.
Uh-huh.
It has a strong flavor of cheese.
Uh-huh.
Like you can actually like taste it and like ooey gooey bubbly saucy cheese. It's really, really good.
Except it's in a chip.
Bite size, not big.
I like them.
Me too. I would give the Pringles a double thumbs up.
Me too.
As well for the sour cream and onion chips,
And
I would give them
I do the side.
double thumbs up again, and then a double thumbs up for the veggie chips.
I like all of them.
I like all of them too.
You do?
All right, which ones are the best?
All of them.
Pringles or the
All of them. Socks.
I'd say Pringles.
No, socks.
And then for second,
Sock.
it's the
That one.
second, it's
Sock.
the sour cream and
Sock.
onion, and last,
It's
it's
guys.
them.
Socks.
I like that second Pringles
It's
first
socks.
and sour cream and onion
Mom,
last.
these ones will be so tasty. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.